Welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. On this lovely winter morning, we are going to bake a Christmas cake. For that, let's take a bowl and crack in 4 eggs in it. Beat them well and then add 1.5 cup of castor sugar or powdered sugar in batches. Keep whisking it. In order to heat the mixture slightly, put it on top of hot water and whisk. For easier blending, you can use an electric blender. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it a mix. Now transfer the batter in a bigger bowl before adding the flour. Shift in 2 1/4 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in the batter. Shifting the flour will make your cake fluffy and airy. Mix it with your hand before using the blender. If you are liking our Christmas special recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Now blend in everything nicely together. Add 1 cup of melted butter. Blend it nicely. And then add 1 1/4 cup of lukewarm milk. Blend it all together. See that no lumps are formed. Add 100 grams of dried and assorted dry fruits of your choice in the batter, but it's optional. Now bake the cake at 180 degrees for 35 minutes in a preheated oven. See how wonderfully the cakes are rising. It's ready. Check that it doesn't stick to a toothpick. That means it's completely ready to be served. This quick and easy cake recipe will give you a perfect start to your Christmas. Share it with your family and friends. Have a lovely Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.